Here are guys, back with some oxtails. We're going to have some oxtails on the big green egg today. We're going to wrap up some fresh bay leaves and rosemary along with some peppercorns in this cheesecloth. Drop that in with the seasoning here, which is mustard, nutmeg, cumin, salt, and smoked hot paprika, about a tablespoon of each of those. We're going to have about 3 onions, 2 tomatoes, some celery, as well as some garlic cloves, along with a Cabernet Sauvignon to top it all off. And that will all be here in our cast iron Dutch oven. And we're going to do all this at about 325 for a few hours on the green egg. And hopefully this thing will turn out delicious, as I think it will. First time trying this, pretty simple recipe as far as ingredients. Hopefully my technique is on point, and we'll see you guys at the end. Here we have our spices. That's 2 fresh bay leaves, 1 sprig of rosemary, and some peppercorns. Gonna wrap this up in the cheesecloth. We have our oxtails, salt and peppered. I have my tomatoes cut up in quarters. I have my seasonings, my onions cut up, my garlic and my celery. And here I have my rosemary, bay leaf, and peppercorns wrapped up. And getting ready to take this out outside the cast iron to get it hot. And we will be doing everything out at the grill. So these are all my ingredients. Getting ready to head outside. Here we are outside and cooking directly on the plate setter with the most fire. Just brown the oxtails before I add the onions. Here we are sitting at 400. I got my smoke bot working here. It's kept it at 400 the entire time. And we're going to see how we're looking after 2 hours. And that's 2 hours covered. And that's simmering just nicely. Guys, oxtails on the big green egg. First time trying that. OKWERA is the person I got the recipe from. She's a member of the group I'm in on Facebook, and she posted her cook recently, and I said I have to try that and put it out there for the masses. Very simple cook, simple ingredients. You definitely want to follow the techniques here. It's kind of like any stew that you do. You want it to cook over a good length of time. 400 degrees seems to be the good mark as far as temperature. When you're searing the meat, you definitely want to put the meat right on the plate setter, as far as the cast iron directly on the plate setter to get that direct heat. Once you're done searing, put on the rack to create that gap, the air gap, so you don't burn the bottom, and let it roll at 400. Cover it with the top if you have. Stir every now and then, every half hour, 45 minutes, and that's it. Just some good oxtail. So good southern meal. I served mine with some collard greens and some brown rice. I'm from the South, but you know, definitely can take this meal in any kind of different directions and different techniques as far as how to make oxtail. So this will not be my last time doing oxtails, that's for sure. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next cook.